Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in a range. So the first thing I guess you would want to know is what range do you want to find duplicates in. It could be a column, it could be a row, it could be several rows, it could be several columns. You might need to select a column, and if you're on a Mac, hold Command and select another column and only put formatting in those two columns to find duplicates. For this example, I'm just going to select this whole table and we'll find all the duplicates in the table. So the first thing you'd want to do is on the Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting and then go to the Highlight Cells Rules. Here there's going to be an option for duplicate values. So if you select that, it gives us some default options. Style is classic, format only unique and duplicate values. And so we could just highlight the unique values, but I'm going to stick to duplicate because I think there's more unique values than there are duplicate. And then it gives us a default format for highlighting. So I'm just going to choose the default format and select OK. And as you can see, all these values are highlighted. Every value that has a duplicate is highlighted. So let's just say we wanted to change the formatting. Say that maybe the red is just too loud, or maybe you want them to stand out more. Maybe you want to use like a yellow for the background. So just highlight the range, go to Manage Rules. It should show the range where you wanted to see the duplicate values. Go to Edit Rule. And so we can select, well, either one of the default formats, or you can do a custom format. So I want to make the backgrounds really stand out. So I'm going to choose, over here I'm going to choose a yellow background. And then I'll put some green font in that background. Select OK. On the Manage Rules, you want to select OK, and then you could change the format. One thing to know is this works with more than just numbers. So if you want to check for, let's say, duplicate symbols, you can find duplicate symbols, even if it's just a period. Or you can even use words, so text will work. To remove this, if we select it, we can remove the formatting by selecting the range, go to Manage Rules. The range should show up. We could just hit this negative sign to remove the rule and select OK. And it should have removed all the formatting.